Hey there, this is a tutorial for Turn Your Eyes Upon Jesus. This is a classic hymn and I'm pulling it straight from this old Baptist hymnal right here. I've really simplified it so that it would be easy for beginner guitar players who maybe don't know a lot of music theory, and I've attached the PDF in the description below, it's free. And I'm going to have the chord diagrams as I play, so I hope you learn it and I hope you enjoy playing it. It'll be very helpful to you if you have one of these. This is a guitar capo, and you could put it on the guitar neck, and it's an easy way to change the key. Now for this tutorial, I'm playing a picking pattern in 3/4, and it sounds like 1 and 2 and 3 and. So I'm going thumb, index, middle, and ring finger together, 1 and 2 and 3 and. So I'm going between my index and these two guys for the 1 and 2 and 3 and part. Okay, so it sounds like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now if that picking pattern is too complicated for you, here's an easy strum pattern that you can do. So we're just going to strum for each beat, and it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So I'm using the side of my thumb. You can use a guitar pick, but that is the rhythm for this song. So I'm simply playing a G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next chord is a C, 1, 2, 3, and then A minor, 1, 2, 3. Then it goes back to G, 1, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, D. So the first half of verse 1 goes like this: "Oh soul, are you weary and troubled? No light in the darkness you see." All right, so here's the second half. It goes G, 1, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, A major, 1, 2, 3, G, A major, D, D. Alright, so here's verse 1 in its entirety. Now warning, there's some really low notes at the end that I will not hit vocal-wise, but if you're following along guitar, stick with me. Oh soul, are you weary and troubled? No light in the darkness you see. There's light for very low. All right, so here is the chorus progression. It goes G, D, E minor, G, C, C, D, D, G, Alright, now we're going to play it again together, but I'm going to sing the melody. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in his wonderful face, and the things of this earth will grow strange, leading in the light of his glory and grace. This is my favorite hymn of all time, so I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it, and I hope it's a good reminder to you as you practice.